haven't posted a apothecary video for a while, and I just wanted to let you guys know why. I have been very busy making lots of things, but we've kind of gone over everything that I've made already, what I'm doing, but I want to give you a little bit of a tour. So I am going to be doing some vinegars and oxymels later, but I haven't done that yet because I'm in the middle of getting things ready for fairs and festivals this summer. I'm making a lot of products and I'm so very excited, but that means a lot of things are getting done that seem really small but are really kind of a big deal. So first off, this is just one window ledge that I have a bunch of cuttings that I've taken from different plants, and then you'll see I've got some good cuttings down here too. I'm going to be selling a lot of cuttings that have been rooted. I'm drying some pine needles that I just harvested right here, getting ready to put those in some oil. And then I have here rose petals that are tincturizing. I've got some evening primrose that I'm waiting on a little bit more product to be ready to put in there. Burdock, hawthorn berries, which is one of my favorite tinctures to make, but this is heart medicine right here, and look at how beautiful that is. That's just gorgeous. You almost just want to drink that. We've got echinacea, we've got chamomile, we're doing a lot of this. But honestly, for taking a video of those, I can't do a whole video of those because I literally am just putting, they're all dried products, so I'm just putting a fifth of the container filled with the dried product, and then I'm filling up the rest with 100 proof vodka, and that's it. And that's how I'm making those tinctures. You saw the rose petals and the hawthorn and the burdock. It all looked like it was filling the jar, but that's just because it got rehydrated with the vodka and expanded. Here's another thing that I've got going. These are my little yogurt cups. They've got tallow in them, and they are infusing right now with chamomile, calendula, rose, and comfrey. And I've got some more tallow coming in the mail. I actually did order some really high quality tallow to do this because I'm just so busy doing all the other things. I figured instead of rendering my own tallow, I'll just make my own salves with some tallow that I buy. So this is going to be beautiful for a face cream. I'm going to add a few more things to it, but this is going to be a great whipped tallow face cream that I'm going to make. Over here, I did go out into the woods when I was getting the pine needles, and I got some good pine sap, and I've got it in a double boiler on the wood stove, and I'm getting that sap to melt, and I'm going to strain out all the bark and any bits of anything else that's on there, and then I'm going to use that in my drawing salve because I have a slightly new formula for my drawing salve than I did when I last made it. I've got some more cuttings here that are kind of doing their thing, not quite ready yet, but I've got it drained. I just watered them, draining. It's kind of on an angle, so this is some more cuttings that I've got going on. And we've got all of these boxes and herbs and containers and stuff to make all this stuff with, ready to go. And then I did make quite a good order from Mountain Rose Herbs, and that should be coming in tomorrow, and then another one maybe sometime next week, I hope, and so I'll be able to start making some more stuff. But I'm definitely going to do an unboxing. I'm so excited about Mountain Rose Herbs coming. Anyway, and that's going to kickstart a whole bunch of other things that I'm making. So really excited to be able to be having so many projects going on. I also haven't been able to really fully put anything together because my labels won't be here until tomorrow as well. And so I don't want to put anything in jars without labeling them. So I'm still waiting to finalize a lot of product for the labels. And so then once those come in, I can print some off. I've got my SKU all ready. I'm very excited. And then I'm going to start really completing the projects. And that's when I'm going to be able to do some videos. Thanks for being patient with me, guys. I hope you're excited. Are you guys doing any projects this spring? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm making all sorts of stuff from sprays and sunscreens, deodorants, salves and tinctures, and all sorts of really great stuff. So subscribe, like, comment, do all the things. Have a great day and stay blessed.